Pick one thing. What is that? Give me that sound. Good. What is in your hand? Ball. So you know the spelling of ball? So what is the first letter?
B.
Sound of B?
D.
Not D. B.
B.
Go. Show me the thing. Okay, what is in your hand? Watermelon. So watermelon spelling start with?
W.
Okay, what is the W sound?
Wa.
Wa. Good. Pick one thing. Sound. What is in your hand?
Lion.
Lion. So what is the spelling of lion?
Lion.
Okay. Explore the sound of L. Good. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Pineapple. So what is the first letter? P. Sound of P. Explore the sound of P. Pick one thing you wish. Pick anyone as you like. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? What is in your hand? Say what is in your hand? What is that picture? What is that toy name? Car. So car spelling start with which letter? C. So sound of C? Okay. Keep it there. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Train. Okay, what is the starting letter? P. So explore the sound of P. T. Good. Keep it there. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Lion. So what is the starting letter of lion? Louder. Very good. L-I-O-N, lion. So explore the sound of L. L sound. Again. Okay. Good. Pick one thing. Another one. Okay. What is in your hand? Name of that thing. What is in your hand? See the picture once. See. Apple. So apple spelling start with which letter? A. So explore the sound of A. A sound. Good. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Picture name. See the picture once. See. Train. Train. Okay. So what is the starting letter? So explore the sound of T. 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 Okay then. Keep it there. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Dog. So pronounce the sound of dog louder. Sound. Go. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? So spell the sound. Explore the sound. Louder. Okay. Go. Pick one thing. What is that thing? Explore the sound. Okay. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Explore the sound of ball. Good. Pick one thing. Okay then. What is in your hand? Red color. Okay. So explore the sound of R. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Say louder. What is in your hand? Explore the sound of G. Okay. Pick one thing. Okay then. What is that? Head. So explore the sound of H. Okay. Pick one thing. What is in your hand? Ball. So what is the first letter of ball? First letter? B. So explore the sound of B. B. Good. Keep it here. Pick one thing as you like. Okay then. What is in your hand? Head. So, ha anali. Gadiga. Pick one thing. What is that? Dog. So, what is the spelling of dog? Dog. Okay, D was the dog. So, what is the first letter? D. So, explore the sound of D.